Alright guys, welcome back to this another tutorial video. So in the previous video we explored the another function so that we've added into our main activity. We add the set on click listener that will handle the inputs of our users and execute this the text that we set, and then this one is no longer be executed because we run two tasks in just within the one elements or this with the same button. So you can see right here we only use one button. Okay, so now in our activity, this one we run to method within just one button, and then we execute the same events. So we stick the parameter view. So this one is will call the finish function, so which is in the on button click which is in the on click button, which is in the on click. So on click, if we go to the on click, okay, so name of the method in this views context to invoke when the view is clicked. Okay, so it will no longer be applied because it's the same method, and then we use only one button. So now let us try another function in which it will identify whether the user has pressed this button with a period of time. Okay, so now we go back to our main activity. We will just for demonstration purposes we will just use this only this button that we did in the previous tutorial. So we no longer use this one, the Android on click. Okay, okay, just delete. Okay, just undo this. Okay, so we will just write a comment this line because we will not using this one. Okay, now okay, what is happening? Okay, it's showing me an error. Okay, this one let me just what is happening? Okay, what is happening? We just delete. Okay, we'll just delete and save since we will not use that code. So now we get back to our main activity just for a while so we can see. Okay, so main activity. Now what we'll be doing in this main activity, we will just add another listener that will identify whether the button is clicked. And you can see from the drop down there are a lot of what you call this one, a lot of function or that you can use, a lot of methods that you can use. So as you scroll down, there's a lot of method in which you can use. Okay, so but right now we will just use the set on long click listener, and what it will allow us to identify whether the user has clicked the button for a period of time. So we will just new on long click listener, so new view on long click listener. So and now instead of false we will just change it to true because by default it is false, which means it is not by default. It is not taking an action. So okay, so whenever the user will just click the button for a period of time, then we will just want to write some text that it has been clicked within the period of time. So we will just call the text view again. That's it, text, and then we can just write long click. Okay, long click. Okay, now we will save, and if I rerun it to my device, then so we can see what is the difference and if the method was really applied. So just run it again. Okay, so okay, just wait for a while until it will be installed. See, it's installing. So when it's done, we can see the difference between the method that we write here and then this one. So okay, so let us just wait. Okay, okay, as you can see to my Windows screen, so whenever we click, it's showing us a click text, and then whenever we press a little bit long, then it will show another text that that we click for a little bit long. So now if I will press it quick, it will just show that it has been clicked. Okay, so and if I will press it again a little bit long, then it will just show a text that it has been long click. So that is now what we accomplished in this tutorial. So from the next video, maybe we will just explore another lesson. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.